So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build this wacky jumping platform using landscape timbers and a hose, essentially. I had leftover landscape timbers from a gardening project. I ran a hose to our beachy, sandy section of our lake and started getting to work. So here's how I did it. I got a 100-foot hose. I built this PVC long rod pipe, and I 3D printed this nozzle, but you can also get a little nozzle at Home Depot. So got all the parts from Home Depot. Okay, got my wand here. It's pressurized, it's shooting, and yeah, I think we're ready to get to work. Like butter. He just goes right in. That's like a 3-foot length, and it just went all the way down. It shoots right in. So easy. Bam. So I'm gonna do that right around the piling and put it in. So it was a little tricky figuring it out. I mean, it works, but you do have to kind of fit a biggest hole around these pilings. I did get a knack at it after. I'm just showing you that I can control my hose output with my smartphone, which I think is pretty cool. Because I'm actually running a pump from the fleet, and that's pulling the water and into this hose. And yeah, I just have a smart outlet, and that's what I can control off my phone. Really nifty for watering, you know, a timed sprinkler for your grass and things. But, yeah, so I recommend getting a post level. That's that blue thing on top of the piling, and that can really help you, you know, center and make sure your pilings are being driven true. You can see once I, you know, get a good drive down, you know, get some void in there, and then I can just push that down. I did use a hammer a little bit in the beginning, but eventually I got a good enough technique. You'll see in my faster video that you know, I really got it down and was really driving those quickly. I used the string between the end pole and the beginning to kind of create this not exponential, but this linear increase in height, so that, you know, when you eventually, you know, I've been running off this platform, you know, running from post to post and then taking a dive off the last post. And that was kind of the intention, to create kind of like a diving platform or something. You know, I'm a little hesitant here just because it's my first time. But yeah, it works pretty good, and it's a lot of fun. So my wife thinks it's dangerous, but I think it's a ton of fun. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys, you know, learned something. Maybe make your own deck or make something wacky like this where you could just jump off of. I do plan to expand this somehow. I don't know, make a swing right on the water, or make, I don't know, something. I just love creating these kind of crazy contraptions. If you see my tree swing video, that's a pretty cool thing too. Anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Godspeed.